Hello guys, welcome back to Lan app. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Venmo frozen account. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So if you've been a long time user of Venmo and you're likely aware that there is a widely used tool for quick money transfers can sometimes experience technical issues. So these issues can temporarily freeze your account, causing frustration as money transfers come to a halt. So such occurrences typically arise when security concerns arise, so potentially jeopardizing users' personal information and funds. Now, common reasons for account suspension include violating Venmo's terms and condition, suspicious of account activity, low balance, and a high rate of chargebacks. Now, if your Venmo account is suspended, it's crucial to provide evidence supporting its legitimate usage to have it reinstated. Now, Venmo may request documentation such as ID copies for verification purposes. Now, upon successful verification, Venmo should reactivate your account. However, in certain cases, creating a new account may be the only solution to regain access to the service. But in this case, how do you actually solve this issue? Well, you need to contact Venmo support, so go to help.venmo.com, and from here, what we need to do is we need to scroll down a bit here and click on the contact us link. Now, under the contact us link, go ahead and scroll down a bit and you should see the still need some help, let us know. In this case, just provide the necessary details. That includes the full name, phone number, email address on file with your Venmo account, the subject, and how can we help. Now, in this case, you want to say that I'm a Venmo customer, need help in my account, and describe your issue here. Now, in this case, maybe choose the appropriate one here. So in this case, you could go ahead and choose account settings here, or even security that best describes what you're having problems on. Now, in this case, tell them what's the problem. So in this case, mention that you have a frozen account and you want assistance on actually recovering your account. Now, once you've done that, provide any necessary information like any proof of ID, and from here, you just click on submit for them to actually submit or file a ticket on their system. In this case, you just need to wait for them to reply to your request here, and from then on, they should assist you on fixing this issue. So again, they might request you some details, some documents just to verify your identity, just to make sure that you are the owner of that specific account. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Lan app. Thank you for watching.